Hello traders and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at how you can install your Tradeify account on NinjaTrader and how to add multiple Tradovate connections to NinjaTrader. Let's hop straight into this. First, connect to your Tradeify account. You can find your Tradovate username and password in your Tradeify dashboard. Next, go to the Tradovate login page and enter the login credentials from your Tradeify dashboard. Once logged in, you'll receive some paperwork to sign. I've already signed mine, so I don't need to do it again. But remember, if you start trading with another prop firm account, you'll have to repeat this process and sign the documents again. If you want to set a maximum daily loss limit, go to the top right corner and click Settings. Here, you'll find all your accounts. You can also add a stop loss to each of your accounts. Don't forget to save your settings before exiting. Now, let's go to the NinjaTrader website. First, create an account if you haven't already. After registering, log into your NinjaTrader account. On the bottom left corner, you'll find the NinjaTrader platform download link. Download and install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch NinjaTrader and log in. Next, open the Connections tab and go to Configure. Here, you can manage all your prop firm connections, add a Rhythmic connection, and multiple Tradovate connections. While you can add multiple Rhythmic connections, you can only trade with one Rhythmic connection at a time. To connect, use the Tradovate login credentials from your Tradeify account. This method allows you to add as many Tradovate connections to NinjaTrader as you need. Quick recap first. Go to the Tradovate platform, sign the required agreements, and set any loss limits or other settings. Once that's done, you can trade your Tradeify account directly from NinjaTrader by saving your login credentials here. You don't have to repeat this setup every time. Just go to Connections, select Tradeify, and wait for the yellow icon to turn green. That means NinjaTrader has successfully connected. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support the channel, you can use my Tradeify link in the description. Much appreciated. See you in the next one.